Hey guys, so it's a really nice day today, so I thought I might get out and doing a bit of practicing with the camera. You know, getting used to kind of vlogging in public with people around. Well, I've managed to get to a very quiet place, apart from that banging that you might hear. Yeah, so this is really just a little test of my confidence with the camera, I guess, in public. Seems to be alright so far. Also trying not to get run over, which is always good. So today I'm just gonna go into the city and check it out. I haven't been there for a while, probably a month or so. Been doing loads of editing and, you know, sorting out the logos and website and everything for obviously this new channel, right? It's not too bad filming in public. There are people watching me, obviously, and I'm just walking around in circles now. So first stop from now is going to be me getting a haircut, I think. Yo, so just back from, well, just out of the hairdressers. Now I'm gonna head into town. I guess, you know, public transport's the one. So, bus into town it is. The bus. I actually jumped off one stop too early, but that's fine. So I decided to jump off a little bit early anyway. So I'm going to go to a gallery that I quite like, down in a place called Ponsonby, which is kind of like a bit of a, I guess, like an upmarket part of Auckland, you know, with galleries, cafes, bars, nice restaurants, all that sort of stuff is there. I'm gonna head there, and then I have heard that the America's Cup, or a part of the America's Cup, I'm not exactly sure how it works these days, which is like a yachting competition, is starting today. So I'm going to head down to the viaduct. So Auckland is actually, if you don't know, it's kind of nickname, or, you know, like tagline is City of Sails, and that is because of, you know, we've got a big harbour and there's loads of sails. I think I'll stop it there and I'll come back when I'm on the way to the gallery, or if I see some cool stuff somewhere. Cheers guys. So just walking out of Scott Lawrie Gallery. Had a pretty lovely chat with Scott there actually. So if you're watching, hi. Yeah, the show was called I Am the Man That I Am, and it was by Oliver King. Pretty cool show. Now I'm gonna head probably up to Ponsonby Road and get a coffee. Cause I need a bit of energy, need a bit of re-energization. So yeah, Off we go. So I just had my caffeine top up. So now I'm walking down Ponsonby Road, heading towards K Road, which is a pretty interesting little road. It's one of the main roads in Auckland. Loads of stuff going on there. I think there's a bit of roadworks last time I was down there, but there is quite a lot going on. Again, cafes, bars, galleries. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of roadworks, pathworks going on. Yeah, I know it's disrupted quite a lot of business down in K Road, just from little things I've heard. I guess, you know, it's improving. Yeah, there will be a time where I guess it's appreciated or it's worth doing. You'd hope. So now on Queen Street, walking down quite about halfway down Queen Street, I'd say. Really a test of being able to, I guess, vlog in front of loads of people, because there are loads of people here. Yeah, so also this is taking a lot longer than I thought it would. This whole day is kind of taking a lot longer than I thought it would. But still heading all the way down to the viaduct to check out the boats. See you guys in a bit. Just realised this is actually the last race right now, happening now. I'm going to try and get there pretty quick. I guess walking around, maybe not the best idea. Not sure if you can hear me, there's loads of noise. I'm going to try and find somewhere to watch this last race. yeah, I think that was a bit of a fail. Everybody else seemed to have walked just past me. All the races are finished. Didn't realise they were going to finish so early. So today was, well, the end point was going to be watching the yacht races. But yeah, I mean, they're over for today. They're on again tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm going to come back down tomorrow though. But still, down here, it's really nice. Yeah, pretty awesome. I mean, it's an amazing, this is like the Auckland viaduct. You can probably see it in the background. There's the Sky Tower up there. I'm sure I'll look that up at some other point to be able to tell you how many meters or how tall it is. But for now, yeah, I'll just walk around the viaduct a little bit, get a bit of footage, slam it over the top. Something. This is like, has to be the biggest New Zealand flag I've ever seen. I don't know how big that is. Massive. Just heading down Wynyard Quarter, just kind of where all loads of like really nice bars and restaurants are. Obviously there's a massive buzz because everybody's just been watching this thing that I missed, but some of the races, so that's, I mean, it's really great to see actually in Auckland. You know, obviously with everything this year that's happened, I think there was, yeah, some tentative ideas that this may not go ahead. So obviously the rest of the world, yeah, this it really isn't possible. You know, here you've got like thousands of people all chilling in the sun. It's pretty good, man. You think about, you know, the rest of the world. Yeah, gonna stop talking. Just do a bit more footage. Just behind me now, you can kind of see all the support boats and like fans, the enthusiasts all coming back in after the race. Some pretty massive boats around here, like obviously, so you know, over there is like the marina, but like this thing, gosh, I mean that must be, I don't know, millions, I don't know, tens of millions, 20s of millions, hundreds of millions, I'm not sure, but it's big. Yeah, within kind of, I guess, you know, the yachting world and all that stuff, you know, there's so much money, it's crazy. And it's this, you know, the America's Cup, it's done something really good for Auckland or even New Zealand. You know, it's put New Zealand on the map. We won it, I don't know how long ago. We are currently the American Cup champions, so we're defending it. So like I was saying, you know, it's brought a lot of money, a lot of development into Auckland City. So it's, in some ways, you know, depending on how you look at it, it's really good. Well, it makes financial sense. You know, all the viaduct has been redeveloped, so it's nice to, you know, really share my city with you, or at least the city I grew up, the city I was born, with you, and kind of reintroduce myself to it. You know, there's all these things that I've seen, but only as a kid. not really in my adult traveling life, so yeah, it'd be great to kind of reconnect and maybe like, you know, re-see the things that I've already seen, re-jog my memory from when I was 10 years old, but also just share that with you guys. I'm gonna head back home via the train. Yeah, it's been quite a long day. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I do like just a bit of a, I guess, a sequence traveling back, but that's probably it for today. Cool. Nice one. See you on the next one.